Hello, how are you guys? Hope you guys doing well. In this video, let's talk about how you can download copyright-free music from the YouTube library itself, right? Follow me. Go to your browser first and then go to YouTube, and you'll have to go to YouTube Studio. In this case, you'll have to have a channel of your own. So if you don't have a channel, just let me know. I will do a tutorial on that. Now I'll go to my YouTube Studio. So once you go to the YouTube Studio, in the left corner you can see a menu called Dashboard, Content, Playlist. Scroll down in the same menu and you can see an option called Audio Library, right? Select on it or tap on it and you can see a big library of music. Any type of music, all are not available, only the copyright free ones, right? So you can download any music available here and you can use anywhere you like, and even in the YouTube videos. If you are a YouTuber, if you are creating YouTube videos, you can basically include those music as background music to your YouTube videos, right? And there's a section called sound effects. So sound effects are also available, right? You can basically search for your favorite sound effect and use it in your YouTube videos without any copyright issue. And that's it. I'll show you how you can download it. So once you hover a music that you like, right, you can play a preview like this, right? To test it, what kind of a rhythm is that, like what kind of a music is that. And once you hover on or once you select on a music that you like, right, you will see an option called download at the right side, right? Click on it and it will start downloading. The downloaded file is an MP3 file, so you can basically use it in your video, right? And that's it. Hope you guys like it. If this is helpful, just leave a like button and leave a comment if you have any suggestions to any upcoming tutorials, right? And if you want me to do a tutorial on how to create a channel, just let me know and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you guys later.